Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how to create a beginner-friendly pinup girl painting. So for our step 1, we will just be following the shapes of our reference photo on the left. I created a circle for our head, and now I'm creating the shape of her body. She's looking off to the right hand side, so her shoulder is kind of overlapping and rounding out her back. So I'm using just a sketching pencil to create a very light sketch, not really focusing right now on any detail, but more so just the shape of the image. Sometimes it's really hard to separate pieces of a full image when you see the full thing. But for this one specifically, I'm just focusing on her face right now, not really too much of the hair or anything else. After this, I'm going to create a vertical line, just as you saw me do there, for the direction, and a horizontal line for the direction of the eyes. Right where they meet, I'm going to create a triangle for the shape of her nose, and maybe a finger down from that, her mouth. After this, I'm going to create 2 marks on the left and the right for her ears, which are usually the bottom of the nose. That's where your earlobe usually starts. From there, I'm creating the shape of her hair, not really focusing on the roundness of it, but more so just the shape that will come up if I stepped away from the picture. So very, very kind of up and down type of lines, not really focusing on the detail of the thing. In this image, the model has 2 victory rolls, very beautiful, one smaller than the other. So again, I'm just creating the shape of those until we get more detail. Now on the left and the right side, I'm creating the full shape of where the floral arrangement would go. And then on the left and right side, the shape of her earrings. Now it's time to get a little bit more in depth with the details. I have 2 horizontal lines, one right above the first initial line, and that is for her brow line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, sketch that in where I feel like it's going to go. And then right in the middle of those, I'm doing 2 markers to show where I should start creating the shape of the eye. And the shape of the eye that I'm using is just rounded up top and then a straight line at the bottom. For the nose, I like to do a circle right in the middle, and then from there, create my nostrils, the shape and the direction of the nostrils. I found that this helps me stay kind of on track with the shape of the nose and the center of it. Now I'm going back into the lips, and I'm just trying to follow the shape as much as possible, staying on the direction line of that first initial vertical line that we created. After I worked on the mouth a little bit more, now it's time to get into the portrait for better detail. This is me just adding more detail to our initial sketch that we had, creating more shape and more detail to some of our features, like our mouth, our hair, the shape of our face, and then of course our floral arrangements in our hair. When it comes to working on portraits or sketching anything for painting or just to have fun with sketching, to not get too caught up on detail immediately. This is a really quick way to quit before you're ahead, because it's very frustrating to get into detail initially when you first get into a piece. You have to work with it a little bit until it becomes something very similar to your reference. So this is what I have for my initial sketch. I hope you guys come back for part 2 where we actually start painting this piece. Thanks for watching.